Morning to everyone. This is the power of healing with Utabi Ungo Weketelo. It is a Thursday morning. Guys, I'm confused and I hope unizongisiza ne. It could be that my understanding or maybe he lost it somewhere. But bengicela ningisize, right? Hey, ngavuka nginebhesi. Okay. Guys, do you know what rituals are? Masithi thina umuntu performer ama-rituals. Do we actually understand what is a ritual? Because for some reason, we have this understanding ukuthi i-ritual performer mhlambe ama-healers kuphela nakhona kudingeka ini nani 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 nani, or rituals izinto ezi-dark, or rituals do we actually know when abantu amandiya go to an good temple bayo-worship, is that not a ritual at a certain time? Is that not a ritual? Why ngibuza lo mbuzo? Because we've got different rituals for different people, and abaku category of calling or healing or whatever, right? Kunalento, guys, that I've seen a lot of times people doing and convincing themselves ukuthi iphelile, ne? Or isolvekile, right? Kune advice ngathini espreadayo. It's fine, it's advice, guys. When I always speak about my experiences and my space, angifuni angeni ey'ndabeni zabantu nejeni yabo yempilo, because I believe it's totally different as people. Some of us, as much as we don't know it, we descend from ey'ndaweni ezithize. Do you understand? So you can never be convinced ukuthi no, mina ngavele ngafika ngaba la engikhona. Si-descenda somewhere. Now there's this belief yokuthi once uhamba uyokholweni ne, guys, once uye esontweni, especially let's say you suspecting ukuthi you're spiritually gifted, uyagula wenzani, and then uye esontweni bese leyo nto leyo, or mhlambe you actually now ventured ube ne-awakening, wahamba wayothenga amabhayi, and then mawuye esontweni leyo nto iyasolveka, isuke kuwe ingasasebenzi. Guys, ngihlale ngithi mina isiphiwo asikho ey'ndwangeni nakuma-beats nanani, sikuwe. What the church actually does, it buys you time, iyayidambisa, ayisusi kuwe. Okay, so kunalento yokuthi hayi once ungene enkolweni, like you are saved, this and this and that. Guys, mawukhuleka imithandazo yakho iphendulwa, ayizukuphendulwa uNkulunkulu. Awuzukubona ubuso bukaJehova ephupheni lakho, awuzukubona ubuso bukaJehova e-dining room yakho, but you are bound ukuthi umbone umuntu wakini ephupheni. You are bound ukuthi umuntu wakini akuhlebele, mhlambe uhambe endleleni uyongena ezingozini ukuthi ngicela suka lapho. Because if you use wisdom, you would understand that abakithi act as amalento. They act as amalento guidance to us, sent by a higher power. Awuzukubona Abraham no Moses, guys. Awuzukubona uShadrach no Abednego, kodwa uzombona umkhulu wakho nogogo wakho. So kunale belief yokuthi no, once uye esontweni lento iyagezeka, once ushisa umfundisi azishisa lezi zinto akufaka ebhavini. Let me tell you what happens by experience. I was invited to a church years ago, ukuthi bengilibe ngixoxelwa ngalo. And then umuntu wakhona athi kimi bakalibaxoxa kuleyo ngithi hayibo sisi, umuntu wesintu or umuntu mhlambe omnyama uyazi ukuthi kunezinto ekuthiwa ithunywa. Lo muntu umfundisi wenu usebenzisa iy'thunywa or umfundisi wenu une-spiritual gift esithize. Hhayi siphikisane nosisi. Angi-invite one day ngiye enkonzweni yakhe. Mangiye enkonzweni yakhe, mangifika enkonzweni kunendawo lapho kuhlala khona abantu aba-gifted, kunendawo lapho kuhlala, uyabona, but baya ngemkhakha yakhona futhi nakhona they are allowed ukubiza, guys, ukubiza iy'thakazelo nani nani. And I said lo muntu usebenzisa spiritual, usebenzisa, yabona lama-gift walaba bonke labantu asebenza kuye. Ukukhula kwenkonzo akusho ukuthi wuye, kodwa ile y'thunywa zabo ney'phiwo namathonga alabantu akusiwuye per se. Kusebenza wonke lo muntu, it's just that bonke labantu abazi ukuthi kusebenza iy'phiwo zabo. Saphikisana. I can tell you right now, the church was reformed. Umuntu sekayiveza ukuthi uyini. There was a child there, I think the child was 6 or 7. Bekehlala hamba naye upastor. Ngathi kuye isithunywa salo mntwana esisebenza la. And still she didn't believe me. But at the end of the day, seli-reformed, selisebenzisa isintu kakhulu. Guys, at some point uzobuyela esintwini. Woza ngukutshela kwenzakala. Ndiyabona lesikhathi zidamba kungasaphuphi, ulala ebusuku nani. Lamanzi ogeze kuwe, what do you think happens after ungasekho wena? Lezo izembatho angithi sishisiwe kwasala umlotha. Angithi ukhulekelwa wanikezwa lezi zinto okhulekelwa ngazo nani. What do you think a ritual is? Guys, akekho umuntu ongahamba ayodila nemimoya engaka ebandleni eyimele yena ngenyama qekelele. Akekho umuntu ongahamba yosusa iy'phiwo zabantu ezihlanganisa amathonga nedlozi, if abanye banemimoya yedlozi ehlanganisa, bese wena uzimela qekelele uthi uzothi, because as a healer, guys, mangikusiza imimoya le thunyelwe kuye, the ties, the bonds that were tied, yonke lento lena iza kimi, ilwa nami. That is why sihlala sigula, that is why sidlula ezintweni, that is why we are trained spiritually to handle all of these things. That is why we have challenges more than anyone else, because awusalwi nezinto ey'qondene nawe, kodwa ulwa nezinto zabantu obasizayo. Now, I'm not against any pastor, ngicela ningizwe, but umise ngani? Because even kwanaye akusunkulunkulu ehle ezulwini azomupha amandla. Even kwanaye une-altar yakhe efaneka yoyiyenzela i-ritual, whether it being a prayer or it being fasting, that is a ritual. Even kwanaye ezophuma endlini agcobise whatever igcobisayo, aphuza amanzi, akhulekela amanzi, it's a ritual. Yingoba ye wena ngesiqu sakho senyama awuzukwazi ukuyimela le mimoya oyoyidiliza. Whereas there's light, guys, there's always a visitation of darkness. Lokho kufanele kukwazi. Now, as much as asisho ukuthi ningakholwa, guys, believe me, because nathi sisodwa nje siyayikhulekela bafowethu. Siyakhuleka nathi, because there's this misconception yokuthi angazi or healers or people who are called spiritually in terms of in terms of healing abazi lutho ngoJehova. There's this angifuni nokungena kuyo kakhulu, but umise ngani? Yazi yini into engiyithandayo ne? Amasonto esiwadumile amasonto asegcwele yila masonto wabantu bangaphandle, and I can tell you abekho abantu aba-perform ama-rituals like labo bantu. abekho abantu abazi isintu sabo like labo bantu. Laba nina abanithi nifike wangigeza lahamba idlozi alihambanga lidambile. He bought you time or she bought you time, not ukuthi ihambile into nayo ayihambi. What's going to happen? Esithi thina abantu babalekela into zabo, sinamhlanje sisenkingeni yokulungisa emakhaya because abantu babaleka. Asisho ukuthi babaleka ngokuthi ini. Abanye bayigeza, abanye bathi bayoyenza, bayoyisusa or whatever that was done. But it will descend to somebody. Yeah, and into mase iyehla yehlele ey'nganeni zakho, sorry. Mase iyehla yehlele ey'nganeni zakho. Ayizukuza ngale pressure beyikuwe. Yabona kuwe mhlawumbe beyi-light. Kubo iza seyi-heavy. Abantu banabantwana abagulayo, abantu banabantwana abahlushwa yiloku naloku, abantu banabantwana abangena ey'ntweni. Yini lento wayivala wena wahamba wayothi uyayilahla. It catches up. Asisho ukuthi wonke umuntu akayothwasa or wonke umuntu. Acknowledge what you are and what you have. And move on. Into eyinkinga ikube sekutheni you think ukuthi ngoba naku umuntu obizo or umuntu wesiphiwo impilo yakho sekufanele ishentshe-ke manje wena ufuna ukuzenzela into zakho. Into enhluphayo inyama. Yabona into ehluphayo inyama ukuthi umuntu usuka afuna ukwenza ezenyama manje lento izombambezela ngoba lento inama requirements, lento inemithetho. Manje vele ke mawungafuni ukuba semthethweni into izokuxaka. Yabona icolleague izokuxaka, igift izokuxaka mawungafuni ukuba nomthetho, mawungafuni ukuba disciplined. Yabona? Yona inemigomo nemibandela shem, let's just say it as it is. Abantu, the reason why ihlupha yenzani abantu ibahluphekisa bathi yabahluphekisa, yes iyasihluphekisa sonke because sithwele into zenu. But it's because uzozithola ukuthi uhlangahlangene, it is because wena usenyameni kakhulu. I spoke about people who are physically dominant. And once you are physically dominant, believe me, spirituality will take longer to work in you. So ungacabanga ukuthi isukile, ayisuki cha ngoba ikuwe, ayikho ey'ndwangini lezi nani singazithatha sikulahle konke guys, kodwa into ikuwe. When we speak about ama-blueprints in people, ikuwe. So that is why I'm confused ukuthi abantu, do they really understand what a ritual is? A ritual is not something ekufanele ukuyenza esigangeni nanani ritual uyenza. We need to understand. Kunama worship ayi-ritual. Uthola ukuthi bathi ngesinye isikhathi bathi umfundisi ebandleni ungena ngesikhathi esithize, akangeni ngesikhathi esize. Leyo to him imithetho abekelwe yona ngoba naye uphethwe somewhere. We understand? Guys, awukwazi ukumelana nemimoya ngenyama qha. Because if singabuzana bayingakhi abantu on a daily basis abakhulekayo? Bayingakhi abantu on a daily basis abakhulekayo, abakhalayo, abaya kuJehova? Uzi-athenda kanjani zonke lezi zinto yena? Ayedwa qaba, uzi-athenda kanjani zonke lezi zinto? Then I know that you guys are going to say angels. Who are those angels? Yazi, it is so sad ne maso ubona abantu bahlupheka because kuney'ngane ey'hluphekayo guys ngempela because abazali babenenkani. Abazali babenenkani And into ebuhlungu is that nobody comes back in flesh. Nobody comes back in flesh azositshela ukuthi la kunzima. La engikhona kunzima, nginemibuzo engiyibekelwe ngiyabuzwa. We've got spirits that are roaming about day and night ngoba kwasebenza inkani. We've got family ties that are unbreakable ngoba kwasebenza inkani. Isiphiwo sakho uyohamba naso because you've got unale symbol that was tattooed kuwe. Yabona unalo thikha wabekwa kuwe. So yes, singasho nje sithi hayi yazi I'm not going through. We don't know what you're going through. Angitshela thina on social media, we don't know what you're going through. One thing that I've noticed about social media, people are so fake, it's crazy. You understand? Guys, we cannot sit and slibe silwisana ngento nathi self esingekho sure ngayo. Yes, it might have mhlambe delayed kancane or iyehlile idanjisiwe lento edanjisiwe, kodwa khona lapha ezikhala khona. Khona lapha ezikhala khona. Ungasitshela nje ukuthi angisaphuphi nana, kodwa khona lapha angithi kumiswele. Sometimes ke kuyenzeke ngebhadi idanjiswe lena ikunikeza isikhathi lena kanti kudilekele ezinye izinto bezi important, kanti kusuka iprotection yakho, kanti ezinye izinto mina I'm one person that ngifuna umuntu into makazoyenza noma makazongena kuyo akayihlalele phansi ayicubungule kahle, like uhlukanisa ama-piece, yabona uyihlukanise in such a way, uyichophe in such a way uzuthola i-deeper understanding of what you are doing. That way mawuthatha i-decision, and the decision now that has been taken with wisdom, maso uyithatha leyo decision uyithatha ngomoya ukuthi sowuke uyazi, because you cannot always look at ukuthi imiphumela, the advantages, but look at the disadvantages as well. Use wisdom. Don't make a permanent decision nge-temporary anger, nge-temporary situation, nge-temporary wena sowenza i-permanent decision ezokuxaka because you were bathini, desperate, you were angered, but so ufila like ukhathele or ufike lapho khona you don't understand how to move forward, bese uthatha i-permanent decision because it's going to come back. And now if force ezobuya ngayo maseyibuya, it's not going to be the same. Ama-altars agcwele manje and abantu they are falling for things ubone ukuthi yazi ukuthi la akusahamba umuntu njengoba ehuye or ezitshela ukuthi uhuye. Nah. So I just wanted to say, let's not be confused. Let's understand ezinye izinto guys mawuyibuka wena futhi angeke umtshele nix umuntu oseke ngene waba kangaka entweni. Yabona once kwathathwa nezambatho zakho zathathwa zayoyenziwa umunye umuntu enye into, I'm like I wash my hands off you. That's why, because no, willpower yakho has been taken away. Your willpower, where you can decide where, and your discernment, when you bend those things, when you tata lezo zinto uyozigeza and all of that, just know your gift of discernment has been tampered with. You're no longer going to understand light and darkness. Your willpower, your spiritual do's and don'ts have been do's and don'ts. Your spiritual rights have been taken away. Logo kwazi, and I'm not trying to convince somebody to do something they don't wanna do, guys. We're not enforcing anything. I always say that. I speak nge-experience yami nezinto esengizibonile zabantu nabantu esibakhulula ey'ntweni bebekhule ngenkolo ethize sabakhulula kulezo zinto lezo sabalungisela izinto. I'm speaking on behalf of those kids or those people. Ngoba akekho ozobuya azokutshela ukuthi yo mntanami ngabheda. Akekho ozobuya azokutshela ukuthi yabona mina ngabheda ngalandela into engahlangene naye nami nabakithi. Thank you so much. I hope you ningizwile, niyang understand.